Sir? What happened? Oh, you weren't over there? You weren't just smashing that? Oh no, you're gonna get out of here? That's right. You're just gonna leave? You're just gonna get out of here now. Well, this is my son, and now the food's in the water. So, oh, Jesus, son. Oh, yeah. Hey, you gonna help clean this? Don't you want to help, Daddy? Oh, you're stuck, huh? Very inconvenient for you. Say bye, or hi to Mommy. Say hi to Mommy and bye to Daddy.